Hello, this is Tina with TLC Travels, Tours, and Cruises. Today is Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023, and I have just been welcomed home back here in Jamaica. I am currently at Breathless Montego Bay Resort and Spa here with a group that I am escorting that are celebrating their birthday, and just wanted to show you quickly the room before I, as usual, clutter it up. So this is the bathroom area. To your left, to your right as soon as you walk in, there is a separate commode with some interesting artwork. It's beautiful. This is the Allure Junior Suite Ocean Front or Ocean View category. And excellent closet space, lots of drawer space for you to unpack and put your clothing away. Nice shower area, full-size mirror, which is always a plus. Try not to swing too fast. And this is the room. Sleeping area. Room is equipped with an iPad. Flat screen TV. Nice sitting area here. The room is almost exactly as is pictured on the website. We do have a coffee machine here and a stocked mini fridge here. And as I use these beverages, they will be replenished daily. Seating area. Nice little welcome gift. And this, you know, with me, it's all about the view. So this is my balcony view for the next 5 nights. It looks like it's about to rain, but I could care less. I am going to really enjoy my time here, whether it's rainy or sunny. Jacuzzi. Don't know if I'll be using that, but it's here if you'd like to utilize that. Breathless Montego Bay Resort. I have been welcomed home properly. As many of you may know, and if you don't know, let me just say, Jamaica is one of my favorite Caribbean islands. I love it here. So this is Tina. I'll be posting pictures later, more pictures later, and want to enjoy my time here. Have a great day. Peace.